Damon, this morning we talked a lot about the possibility of severe weather this afternoon. Is there any chance that it might not be as bad as we once thought it was going to be?
Yeah, thankfully enough, it looks like the latest updates are showing we might be spared a little bit, but we're not out of the woods just yet. Yes, severe storms are still possible this afternoon, but the clouds that are out there currently are certainly helping us out. And you can see some of that cloud cover that is going on at the current moment over Hagerstown. They've been pretty thin. It's just those high, thin cirrus clouds, so the sun has filtered through a little bit, but they're starting to thicken up a little more so. And again, the less that we see the sun, the better off we're going to be. It's 80 degrees, so we have started to warm up, and there is plenty of moisture. Dew points are back up to near 70 degrees, and those are two of the ingredients you need. You need the heat, you need the moisture as fuel for those showers and storms. And you can see right here where all the clouds are now drifting over the I-81 corridor. There is still a little bit of filtered sunshine through parts of Virginia, central Maryland. That's likely where the highest severe threat is going to be located later on, is where that sunshine is moving through the most. But again, with this frontal boundary still draped over top of us, and now this complex of thunderstorms approaching the area as well as the center of this low pressure center, things are about to start to get interesting over the next couple of hours as storms begin to fire up across the viewing area. Quick check on those temperatures. Yes, we have nudged up into the 80s with 70s a bit further west where the cloud cover has held strong. And look at all of this moisture. Dew points are well into the 70s with just a slight drop off again further west. Here's the biggest update from the Storm Prediction Center. We talked about that enhanced risk, which is a 3 out of 5 on the severe scale. That has been pushed a bit more northeast, mostly out of the 4-state region now. So even the Storm Prediction Center is highlighting how the severe threat's higher just outside of the viewing area, but that still does not put us in the clear, as we are still likely to see some severe storms, just not likely as much severe activity as we were expecting earlier on today. So yes, that overall severe threat has gone down, with the highest chance for severe storms from 2 to 6 o'clock. That's when that first round of storms is going to be moving in, and we'll see that peak heating during the afternoon hours here today. And it looks like that second batch is now backed up a bit further into the overnight after sunset. And since the sun is going to already be down, those storms should end up on the weaker side with a little less coverage. So that's also some good news. And check it out here on Future Tracker soon enough as we go toward the 1, 2, and 3 o'clock hour. Some of that rainfall to our northwest will start to move in. Notice how we could have some embedded stronger thunderstorms popping up here and there across this line of storms, but it looks like most of the activity will pick up as these storms approach the coastline. Then we're going to have a bit of a lull from about 6 o'clock onward. Not a lot of activity going on, and then we could see just the occasional shower or storm pop up on the backside of all of this through the overnight and into the rest of Friday morning. But then we are in the clear after that. Thankfully enough, it looks like by Friday, we're talking about very sunny skies returning, and it's going to start to feel extremely comfortable, setting us up for a beautiful weekend after all of this activity. Now, the overall threats from these storms, that has not changed. It looks like gusty winds will be the main concern here. We could definitely see some hail and flash flooding if those storms end up over the same locations. A spin-up tornado is not out of the question, but as this severe threat continues to get lower and lower, the chance for a tornado also not looking as likely, but it's not zero. So stay weather aware here the rest of the afternoon and evening, and stick with us for the latest updates throughout the rest of the day. Look at that though, Saturday, 82, no humidity. What a beautiful, beautiful start to the weekend.